Greetings everyone. Today we are going to cover 7 best Udemy Adobe Firefly courses. Adobe Firefly, a powerful and innovative software, has emerged as a beacon of creativity in the digital design realm. With its intuitive interface and versatile tools, Firefly empowers artists, designers, and enthusiasts to bring their visions to life in mesmerizing ways. 7th course, A Beginner's Guide to Generative AI, Images, Video, Music by Udemy. Guided by Greg Hung, this course covers Synthesia, Adobe Firefly, DALL-E 2, Midjourney, GPT-3, Voicify, and Soundful. Topics covered in this course are: Introduction to Generative AI Video, Introduction to Adobe Firefly Beta, Midjourney, Text-to-Image Generation, and many more. After connecting with the course, you'll receive the following advantages: Discover generative video concepts. Craft your inaugural AI video. Explore ChatGPT, DALL-E 2 art, and enhance AI video quality in Final Cut and Premiere Pro. Embrace Adobe Firefly Beta and Photoshop Beta Generative Fill. Dive into music AI for personalized beats and voice manipulation. This course is for anyone that wants to learn to create videos with AI technology, creatives and entrepreneurs. To enroll in this course, click the link in the description. 6th course, Adobe Firefly Ultimate Guide. Become an Adobe Firefly expert by Udemy. Enroll in this course by DFA Course Academy. Explore Adobe Firefly and Photoshop, text-to-image, generative fill, text effects, AI art prompt mastery with ChatGPT. Topics covered in this course are: Adobe Firefly Fundamentals. Enhance your prompt to the limits with ChatGPT, Adobe Photoshop, and many more. After connecting with the course, you'll receive the following advantages: Discover the full range of Adobe Firefly tools for remarkable uniqueness. Elevate your prompt writing with ChatGPT for outstanding results. Stay current with ever-evolving Adobe Firefly features, AI tools, and techniques. Transform words into striking images with text-to-image. This course is for designed for creative individuals curious about exploring Adobe Firefly, a groundbreaking tool for crafting AI art. Whether you're new or experienced, this course offers valuable insights to cater to your learning needs. To enroll in this course, click the link in the description. 5th course, Generative AI for Creatives with Adobe Firefly by Udemy. This course by RPA Tech introduces Adobe Firefly tools by Adobe Express, Photoshop, and Illustrator. Plus, gain strategies to enhance your earnings. Topics covered in this course are: Explore Firefly, Adobe Express, Adobe Photoshop, and many more. After connecting with the course, you'll receive the following advantages: Discover Adobe Firefly's interface and basics. Explore AI art generator tools. Uncover newly integrated AI features in Adobe Express, Photoshop, and Illustrator. Leverage Firefly to enhance freelance graphic design income. This course is for ideal for graphic designers aiming to enhance productivity and serve more clients with efficient creation of top-notch visual content. Suitable for professionals eager to join the AI revolution, elevating their artistic abilities significantly. To enroll in this course, click the link in the description. 4th course, Adobe Firefly AI Photoshop. How to use Generative Fill by Udemy. This course was crafted by Inishata Yu. Master Adobe Firefly AI Photoshop. Generate attire, backgrounds, reflections, and more with generative fill techniques. Topics covered in this course are: Install Photoshop and getting started with creative fill. Generating water and reflections with AI on Photoshop. Generating AI clothes, and many more. After connecting with the course, you'll receive the following advantages: Explore these valuable skills. Set up Photoshop and begin creative fill. Craft water and reflections with Photoshop's AI. Design AI-aided clothing. Create realistic AI hair. Forge backgrounds and objects. Construct composites. Expand images. Erase objects or individuals using AI. This course is for This course is designed for everyone who wants to create Photoshop designs with AI. To enroll in this course, click the link in the description. 3rd course, Adobe Firefly Masterclass. The Next Step in Generative AI by Udemy. Larno Visser presents this course. Join now to be a pioneer in mastering generative AI within Adobe's potent programs for groundbreaking digital design. Topics covered in this course are: Intro to Generative AI, Adobe Firefly Tools. After connecting with the course, you will receive the following advantages: unlock insights into Adobe Firefly's generative AI tools, grasp the concept, mechanics, and practical application, infuse generative AI into your creative workflow, and ensure your design skills remain cutting-edge and future-ready. This course is for anyone interested in generative AI. To enroll in this course, click the link in the description. Second course, Adobe Firefly Complete Guide. Learn to use AI in projects by Udemy. This course is created by Yeti Learn. This course empowers you to master Adobe Firefly's elements: image from text, artistic text transformation, creative color generation, dynamic image fill, and image blending techniques. Topics covered in this course are: advanced prompting, Photoshop with Firefly features, Adobe Express with Firefly, and many more. After connecting with the course, you will receive the following advantages: gain expertise in Adobe Firefly basics, explore text-to-image and text effects, discover vector recoloring, harness Firefly prompts, and delve into generative fill for both Photoshop and Firefly. Master prompt engineering techniques for enhanced creative control. This course is for graphic designers, artists, everyone who wants to create with AI. To enroll in this course, click the link in the description. First course, Adobe Firefly, a guide to AI art, generative AI, Photoshop by Udemy. Discover Adobe Firefly's creative potential and fill Ebener's course. Explore AI for art, Photoshop, generative fill, text-to-image, and more. Topics covered in this course are: Introduction to Adobe Firefly, Adobe Firefly tutorials, generative fill tutorials, and many more. After connecting with the course, you will receive the following advantages: you'll explore Adobe Firefly's AI tools, stay up to date with the latest releases, create images, extend and modify with generative fill, transform text with text effects, and change color palettes. Also, harness Photoshop's AI updates. Dive into the realm of creative AI and learn prompt engineering for desired results. This course is for ideal for creators, artists, and photographers eager to grasp cutting-edge AI advancements. Perfect for digital artists and illustrators aiming to elevate their creativity with AI tools. Photographers can broaden skills and infuse AI-generated visuals for distinct, captivating outcomes. To enroll in this course, click the link in the description. Subscribe and click the bell icon so you can be updated on online courses. Thanks for watching.